Hey guys, Connor here again at Earth MotorCars. Today we're showcasing 1967 Chevrolet Camaro, the first year of the Camaro, baby. So, take a look underneath the hood here. Underneath the hood, small block 327. These things were famous back in the day. You could ring them out. Nothing really crazy on this guy. Just got power steering on there. We do have power front disc brakes too. That's actually pretty cool for a car of this spec right here. This thing's not equipped out anything like that crazy. Like I said, 327 and a Power Glide 2-speed automatic transmission on there. Pretty cool. You don't see a lot of those left anymore. Walking around here, this is the first year of the Camaro, so convertible car too. Really, really cool. Nothing crazy on this guy, mostly stock with some basic upgrades on there. New seats front and back, as you can see the material's really good shape. New carpet, and then upgraded Bluetooth radio on there with the rally pack gauges on the bottom. Like I said, this car is mostly original, guys. 327, 2-speed automatic Power Glide in here. Let me grab the keys, I'll show you the trunk. I wouldn't call it the fastest car in the inventory, but I'd call it a great cruiser, you know? On a day like this where it's supposed to be 80 degrees outside, this would be a car that you take outside, go drive around. Really, really cool. Find the right key. In the trunk, like I said, fresh carpet. You even got your original spare tire, the jack, the tools, stuff like that. We always try to leave that with the car if we can. I've said it before and I'll say it again, I don't like throwing away 50-year-old parts, even if they're not really good anymore. I just like to leave everything with the car. We do have the rally wheels on here. BF Goodrich TAs, white walls. Really, really cool car. Not much to be said about it. Really, really great driver. I'll show you guys here in a minute, but this thing you can drive one hand on the wheel, other hand out the door, and I mean, you're looking good while you're doing it. 50, 60 miles an hour, great cruiser, and I mean, just look at the front end. It's the first year of the Camaro. This platform's over 50 years old. Let's go take it for a spin, and I'll prove to you how well it does. All right. Fires right up. I'm not gonna lie, whenever this thing started up, I thought it was an LS. It runs so freaking good. I don't see a lot of 327s anymore, man. They were famous back in the day. Everybody knows the small block Chevy, the 350. That's what pretty much everybody had in their Camaros, pickup trucks, dump trucks, Impalas. I mean, everybody had a 350. The 327s were the original, kind of more compact block, but what people like about them is you could, as I call it, float the valves. You could spin these things out to like 7,000 RPM with a good valve job on there. And I mean, people just loved them. They didn't make all the horsepower in the world, but they were fun cars, you know? Man, if the sun would come out just a little bit, it would be perfect for this. It's supposed to be 80 degrees today, but we're a little bit in the doom and gloom right now, but I'd still rock this car with the top down. Hell, if I had this car, I don't think I would ever put the top up. I don't think I mentioned too, the convertible top on this guy is also brand new too on here. Yep. First gear, second gear, and that's it. But I mean, like, we're doing 50 right now. You're cruising in this thing. You're definitely not winning any races in it, but I'm doing exactly like I said. I got the one hand on the steering wheel right here. Nice, easy power steering. Look, check this out. One finger. Oh, let's do that again. One finger. You can steer this car power steering wise. I mean, you're cruising in this. I would call this car a perfect with the sound too. A lot of these cars are either way too loud or way too quiet. I don't know how well it's gonna come up on the audio, but you got a little bit of an exhaust in the back, but nothing crazy. It's just enough to make you smile, know that you're in a muscle car. But I can actually sit here and have a conversation with the cameraman over here, you know, and not be screaming at each other. This is one of those cars that I just puts a smile on my face whenever you drive it, you know? Man, that sounds good. Well, that's going to do it today for this 67 Chevy Camaro. Come check out this first model year Camaro, guys. It's a really, really great driver. Don't take me for it. Come and prove it to yourself, and I'll see you guys in the next video.